Hey everyone, it's Lisa from the blog farmhouseonboone.com, and today I want to show you how to make a delicious and probiotic-rich dressing, Kefir Ranch. Now I know I made a video really recently, just a couple weeks ago, on some homemade dressing recipes, but this is one I wanted to share in addition to those because it has the added benefit of homemade milk kefir, or store-bought if you don't make yours as well. So you can use either, but it has good probiotics. It's a way to get your kids, if they're a little bit picky about it, to eat it. If they like maybe some carrots dipped in ranch or salad, this might be a way that you can get them to eat it as well. I've had it in many variations with an avocado blended in, so maybe eventually I'll get on here and do that recipe as well. But today I'm just gonna share the very basic ranch dressing. All right, we're gonna start by adding a half of a cup of milk kefir. If you are wanting to try making milk kefir and you've never done it before, I do have a tutorial here on my YouTube channel and on my blog. So simple. Couldn't it be easier? It's easier than yogurt on how to do that. All right, next we're gonna add a half a cup, so equal parts, of mayo. I did share on this channel how to make a homemade avocado oil mayo. So simple. It comes together really quickly. You can even make it last minute in a pinch. 1 teaspoon of fresh garlic. I use a press like this because it's just so easy, especially when I'm adding to a meal tons of garlic, which I tend to do a lot of. I can get it done really quickly with my garlic press. And now we're gonna add some spices. So I have chives. I'm just gonna add about a teaspoon. Dill. Parsley. And some onion powder as well. Now, of course, you can use fresh if you have this growing in your garden. I do have parsley in my garden, but not the others. And I thought it'd be good to share this recipe for any time of the year, even if it's not garden season. You can use the dried herbs. Then I'm gonna add a half of a teaspoon of salt. And some fresh black pepper. Now a great trick is, I showed you guys this in an older video, if you have one of the glass Oster brand blenders, the base of the blender will screw right into a mason jar. That makes dressings really easy. We misplaced ours in move. I don't know if we got rid of it or where it went somehow in moving, but that is perfect because then you can make the dressing in the jar and then store it in the jar and not get a blender dirty. So if I had that on hand, I would definitely be doing that. The next, add the juice from a quarter of a lemon or a drop of lemon essential oil. And in my case, I'm gonna actually add half a lime because that is just what I have on hand right now. Lemon is preferable, but if you have lime, that'll work as well. Now I'm just gonna give this a good blend until everything is all combined. All right, and that's all there is to it. Like I said, so easy. All the homemade dressings are, all you have to do is just get some ingredients in a blender and you can have them on hand for some fresh greens, homemade salad at lunchtime. If you want a printable version of this recipe or you just wanna save it for later on a Pinterest board, I have the printable recipe card on my blog, farmhouseonboone.com. I will leave a direct link in the description box below so that you can go over there, pin the recipe, print it out, whatever you do to store your ideas that you want to save. I have that available on my blog. You can head there. Also, if you are new to fermenting foods and making kefir and water kefir and yogurt, I have a whole playlist on fermented foods. You could check out in the description below as well. And it's just a really good place to start working on incorporating some of these gut healthy foods into your diet My advice is always just start slow, try something, get familiar with it, get used to it, and then start trying something else. Don't try to do a total overhaul and try everything all at once, get yourself overwhelmed and burnt out. It's meant to be more of a learning process and a lifestyle than something where you get too drastic. But I hope that those videos that I have for you are helpful and that you can get started on your fermenting journey. All right, well, if you're brand new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I make 2 videos every single week on food from scratch, natural living, and a handmade home. We're also restoring our 1890s farmhouse, and we're taking you all along on the journey with that as well. Thank you so much for stopping by the farmhouse.